What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about what's happening over the broader market. Then we're going to talk about AMC as well as GME. Then we're going to check the options flow for it. And we are on a downward trends onto the SPY. We had a pretty good pre-market. In the pre-market, almost every stock was green. So this morning, Fauci came in and he said Omicron variant will soon become dominant here. And the second major news out there today was the Bank of England has unexpectedly raised interest rate for the first time in 3 years amid growing concern over inflation despite the rapid spread of the coronavirus Omicron variant. MPC voted by a majority of 8 to 1 to raise rates from historic low of 0.1% to 0.25%, judging that pressure on households from surging living costs outweighed the risk of the economy from the new variant. The increase will add to financial pressure on households with variable rates mortgages. So this created a little bit fear in the market. Only these two concerns were there. As the SPY started going down, created a pullback in the broader market. Now before close, there was something interesting in AMC. As we know already that AMC has a negative theta, which means every time the SPY goes down, AMC goes up. But for the last couple of months, what we have seen is that AMC is actually following SPY. Every time if there is any sort of a fear in the SPY, AMC also fluctuate in the same direction. Now there will be a lot of people out there, those who are a little bit concerned if they bought the dip yesterday just for the Santa rally. You shouldn't be feared at all. I personally believe we're gonna have a pretty good bull run in the end of December as well as in the early month of January. Now, this news out came yesterday. Reddit files for confidential paperwork to go public. A year into Wall Street bets fueled popularity. Reddit, which operates a social media platform popular with the retail and cryptocurrency investors, said Thursday it has confidentially filed for an initial public offering. Now, most likely, this is going to be a very good news for the Reddit users. They would definitely support this company. Now we can see this is the current chart of AMC. We might be seeing significant upward momentum coming into the AMC stock. Now let's have a look at the volume for today. Average volume for AMC is around 43.64 million and today's volume was around 43.48 million. Now let's look at GME. Now when we look at the average volume for GME, it was 2.43 million and today it was 2.16. So both AMC and GME had almost around the average volume for the day. Now we're going to have a look at the options flow for AMC. People are betting a huge amount of money in the stock to go down. So the only few contracts that I saw which were very heavy were on the put side. This is one of them. That's a $24 put option. The current stock price is over $24. So this guy won't be making any money until unless the price goes below $24. And the amount of contract this person is having is 1,666 contract. That's a lot of contract. One contract is equal to 100 shares. So you can imagine money this individual is betting for the stock to go down. It's a lot. This options flow gives you a general view regarding where the stock is going to head. Stock has already gone down quite a lot. Just by looking at the chart of AMC, it seems to be like we're going to have a good bounce coming into it to the upward direction. What we know so far, there were two hedge funds, those who got liquidated and they were holding a short position in AMC. Shorting AMC is not going to be a good deal for any hedge fund out there. Now let's look at the options flow for GME. So somebody bought a $950 call that's going to expire in the January of 2023. These are 100 contracts. So it's kind of like a leap that this guy is buying, but he's being very bullish on this stock that it will go around $950. Now, what I saw today that AMC and GME was basically getting affected because of the SPY. So let's have a look into the flow for this SPY so that we can get a general idea about where the sentiment of the investor is regarding this SPY. Just before the close, there was a lot of bearish flow coming in SPY. Basically, these people are collecting the premium on the SPY. Now, by looking at the entire options flow for SPY, I can tell you for sure there is nothing negative. There is not even a single whale out there who's buying a put on this SPY. That means we are in a bull run. When I bring down the premium on AMC, I can see a lot of retail investors are betting that this stock is going to go up. As you can see yourself, majority of the buyers are on the call side rather than the puts. So there is a lot of bullish momentum into it. Hope so you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Cheers.